In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IC Markets news trading. We'll walk through how to prepare for major economic releases, how to choose an approach when the numbers hit, and how to manage the risks that come with fast markets, all within the IC Markets ecosystem. Start with the IC Markets economic calendar. Open the calendar on the website and switch the time zone to your local time so you know exactly when each event lands. Filter for high-impact releases, and review the forecast versus the previous reading. This comparison frames what the market expects before the data arrives. When the actual number deviates meaningfully from the forecast, volatility often jumps. Mark important times on your own calendar so you're not scrambling in the final minutes, and preview which currency pairs are likely to be most sensitive to that specific report. Next, understand which events truly move currencies. Interest rate decisions and central bank statements, inflation metrics like CPI and PPI, employment data such as non-farm payrolls, GDP growth figures, trade balance, and consumer sentiment can all shift expectations for growth, inflation, and policy. Those expectations are what drive currency repricing, so context matters as much as the headline. Choose a trading style that fits your temperament and execution. Some traders position before the release based on consensus and their read of market positioning, knowing the risk is higher if the result surprises. Others wait for the data, then trade the breakout once direction is clearer, often letting the first candle close to reduce slippage and false starts. A third approach is the straddle, placing pending buy stop and sell stop orders on either side of price ahead of the event, allowing momentum to trigger one while canceling the other. Regardless of method, remember you're trading how the actual result compares to expectations, and how the market interprets that difference. Manage risk with intention. Around news, spreads can widen, slippage can occur, and price can gap past stops. Use a stop loss that's tight but realistic for the event's typical volatility, reduce position size, and avoid putting too much of your account on a single release. If you don't fully understand the driver, skip the trade. Leverage IC Markets tools to add insight. Trading Central provides real-time economic data, market buzz headlines, and technical and fundamental analysis to help you frame potential scenarios. On MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, monitor the affected pair, watch live spreads and volatility, place your market or pending orders, and set or adjust stop loss and take profit levels to reflect the conditions. To wrap up, news trading is opportunity with risk. Markets often price in expectations, and not every headline moves price. Major releases can ripple into commodities, indices, and even crypto, so consider broader correlations. Many traders blend news with key support and resistance to refine entries and exits.